So as you guys know, I'm just a learning person. I'm learning. I'm not a pro in any of this stuff. And so I'm just trying to share with you guys what I learn as I go. But one thing that I just learned quickly was that when you're doing projects and you are learning how to do your stuff alone and not hire people, you need to be organized. You need to organize all your tools. You need to organize all your screws. You need to organize, you have a tool bag like this one here. Get all your things situated, all your pencils, put them at the same location when you need them. Otherwise, you'll be buying stuff every week because you don't find them. That can be expensive sometimes when you have to, like every week you find something, go buy, and then 2 weeks later you find it. You know what I mean? So just be organized, try to get everything situated. So I went to Lowe's and bought one of these organizers. I don't know if you can see it. It's really heavy duty. It's called a case stack. So it's got this little cubbies, little containers in here. So I have all my screws, different sizes of different case. So all my 2.5 inches screws in here. All my drywall. This one is one big one. All my drywall, 1 inch, inch and a quarter or inch and a half screws are here. And I got all these 2 inches cabinet screws in here. And the cool part is like, since you don't really use, I don't use as often this type of screwdriver, so I have it in here. I have it all in the same cabinet with everything I need. And then I have all my cabinet screws with the bit, the same bit that I'm gonna use them for. So when I need them, they're all right there. Organization, guys. I can't tell you how many times I have, I'm working on a house here and as far as like maybe 30 minutes away, I have to drive back to my house to go get some tools or get some screws because I can't find screws, freaking screws that I had in this project right here. But then later, 2 days, 3 days later, I found it because I wasn't organized. But now I'm realizing I need to be organized and really know exactly where my stuff is. So then I got all this little one here. So I put all this little screws, the small, tiny screws. But if you go to Lowe's, you can buy this kind. It's called Project Source 16 compartment 2-in-1 divided box set. So basically, you buy this and this one in here for $9 or so, like $9.60 something. So $10, you got these 2 organizers right here. But I realized when you go to Lowe's, they're selling this one separately for $5. So I looked at it like, why spend $5 on this little tiny one? But I can buy this one for $9. So I bought this. So I got this. I already have my screws in here. And then I got this extra one for extra screws that I'm gonna have. So just get organized. And then these things that you use for screws that you buy at the store with the screws, plasticky things. Reuse them, man. So I'm using these for things that I don't have a location for. I put all those my screws and wire tightening and stuff. Extra stuff that I find that I might need a place to put, and it's where I can throw some of these like little things that I don't have a place to put over here. So when you need it, you can find it quickly. Like that's another storage thing for me. So you use some of your stuff. If you buy an item or if you buy something that has a plastic container, they can use it. I'm using a medicine bottle for my screws, for my screw bits, like this one. Right, there it is. I use them. They fit in here perfect. So I put them in here, and this one locks. They will not come off, and put them in my toolbox. When I need it, I find it. So I'm just stressing again, like the importance of being organized. So I got some extra ones here that I'm gonna put in this organizer. Everything, just be organized. Let's try to get everything organized. It makes your life easier and your job more efficient. so you have everything you need at the same location. All right. Get one of these, guys. Get one of these. Yeah, this I like this smaller one. They have like really bigger ones. Like this one is nice. It's a little tiny. It's got like 6 cubbies. You know, you can get a really large one with a bunch of them, but I figured this small one will work just perfect for me. You know, I'm not gonna be opening a giant bag and heavy and stuff. This is perfect. So if you need this, go to Lowe's and you'll find it over there. If you need one of these, this project source, item number right there. You'll find it. It comes with two of these. Get organized, guys. Get organized. It will save you your life. It will save your life. Look, I use medicine bottles. This is medicine bottles to hold stuff. So there it is. Organization, organization, organization. It helps. Saves time. Good advice, guys.